So I was going to clean my room. That can't wait because I have just gotten an order from Charleston Coffee Roasters, and I'm very happy about that. Let me clean a little bit. Alright, and we're on. Let's open her up. Shipped to Hippie Cup Cafe. Thank you so much. Don't rip the bag. I should not be trusted with knives. My little online receipt. This is the breakfast blend, ground to a fine espresso. Here we go. That's my baby. Oh yeah, I forgot about the factory seal. This is the cleanest cut I've ever done. Oh, it's just like making the room smell like coffee. That's beautiful.
Failed latte art. Lull. But practice makes improvement.